In this video, we will discuss about the software Microsoft Excel. Now, in this software, I will tell you how to increase the size of alphabets and decrease the size of alphabets and how to select the alphabets. Now, from here, this is A, this is B. Now, in A, I want to change the size of name. Now I will select this name and increase the size from 16 to now. I increase this Ali from this to 18. Now same, I select this date and same to now. I select the date, now same to 18, and now I will increase this box like this, like this, like this. Have you seen this? Now the name is written under A, the date and the numeric date is written under B. Thanks for watching. The other point will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.